Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So, today again we are here for learning science. In science, we learn about different type of things, different type of food, different type of rules and many other things. We also learn about the different atmosphere, we learn about weather, we learn about the sun, moon and star. So many things we learn in science, right? Every day in science we learn something new. So, let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School. And today we continue lesson number 10. It means we revise lesson number 10. And what is the name of this lesson? Keeping safe and healthy. So, in this lesson, we learn about different safety rules which we have to follow at our home, in school, and many other places. So, now today we revise this lesson. We revise this lesson explanation so you can easily remember and understand and revise again this lesson. So, let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line. The line is mistakes are proof that you are trying. What is meaning of this line? That when you are doing any work, when you are trying to learn something and you doing some mistakes in it. So what is meaning of it? It means you are trying. If you are sit as it is and there is no any mistake, so it means you are not trying, right? So you are not trying hard to find the things or achieve the things. For example, if your eraser or anything is lost, so you need to find it. If you are writing something, you try to learn the writing skill, right? So if you are doing F in different way, right? When you are learning ABCD, so you try to learn A and mistaken you are doing A differently, so it means you are trying. But if you sit as it is and you don't try to write A, right, so it means you are not trying. It's clear thing. So mistakes are proof that you are trying. So with this beautiful line, let's start our today's lecture. So till now we complete lesson number 8 to 14, which is our syllabus. We complete all these things in fair book also. So that's why we start the revision of every lesson, right? So here this lesson number 10, what we learn in this lesson, your first picture you see on your screen, what is this? It is scissor, right? We use scissor to cut paper, to cut clothes, and many big scissor we are using to cut plants. Then we use big scissors to cut iron. Many things we are cutting with the scissor. But the difference is that the size of scissor and the lead edge of the scissor is very sharp. So you can see here the three things. First you can see scissor. So what is meaning of this? It means we learn about sharp object in this lesson, which is harmful to us. Second picture you can see is the picture of house. So right now we all are at our home because of COVID-19. So what is the meaning of house here? Because we already learned about house in lesson number 9. So in this lesson we learn about the safety rules. It means how we can safe at our home, right? And the third picture you can see is the picture of the road. So in this picture you can see that many vehicles are on the roads, and you can see some of the people are injured because of the vehicle. You can see one boy is running and the dog is behind him. So, there are some safety rules which we have to follow at our home, at school, and on road also. So, we learn about in this lesson safety rules which we have to follow at home, some rules which we use in our school also, and some traffic rules which we have to follow when we are on the road, right? So we learn about these all things in lesson number 10. And what is the name of this lesson? The name of this lesson is keeping safe and healthy. So first we learn about how we can save ourselves. Then we learn about healthy. So for keep ourselves healthy, we need to follow some good habits. Again I repeat, good habits, right? So if you follow these good habits, you can be healthy, because the most important thing in year 2020 and 2021 is the keep yourself healthy from the COVID-19, right? So you must have to follow safety rules as well as develop good habits for keep yourself safe and healthy. So let's revise what we learn in this lesson, right? So we already complete this lesson with explanation as well as written in fair book also. So today we revised some safety rules which we have to follow at our home, right? So let's revise what we learn about safety rules in our home. So when we learn about safety rules, so first we need to know that what are safety rules. What is the meaning of the safety rules? So we should follow some rules to stay healthy. It means when we are at home, so we need to follow some rules. But remember, these rules is for our safety. If you follow this rule, you can be safe and healthy, right? So we should follow some rules to stay healthy. These rules are known as safety rules, right? So the rules which keep us safe, so these rules are known as safety rules, right? So we should follow some rules to stay healthy. These are known as safety rules. So now when we start this lesson, we learn about the rules which we have to follow at our home. So first topic of this lesson is the safety rules which we have to follow at our home. So remember one thing in your mind, that these rules are made by persons. It means like when you are going to school, so there is a safety rules, right? So sometimes it's written on the board, sometimes when you enter in the school you have to follow these rules. So like that, when you are at home, so did you see any rule book or rule temp, right? So there is no any rule book for home, right? So what is meaning of that? Because we are at home, so it is depend on us that how we behave in our home. So it means that safety rule which we follow at our home, it is not written in any book, but we must have to follow, right? So which rules we have to follow at our home? You should not play with matchbox, matchstick, lighter, right? So what we learn here? We learn here that some things which are unhealthy for us. So you can see here which things are unhealthy or unsafe for us, that you should not play with matchbox, matchsticks and lighters. So what is matchbox? When we learn about matchbox, you all aware of matchbox? Small box, in this so many matchsticks, and with use of this matchstick the fire will start. Lighter. What is lighter? Lighter is the thing in which there is some liquid, kerosene or petrol or anything else, which is also one of the thing which start fire, right? So let's learn about all these things, that we should not play with matchbox, matchsticks and lighter. Now, first thing, when we start this lesson, so we learn that where we should follow these rules, right? So here you can see the picture of the one house, right? So in our house we have to follow some rules. So here you can see the picture of a home, right? So we all are at home, so we should follow these rules. So let's see which safety rules we have to follow at our home. So what you see here, picture of house. So right now for us, according to the situation of COVID-19, so it is our first rule that we have to stay home, right? We all are at home because of COVID-19. There is lockdown from 1 year. We complete 1 year of lockdown, right? We all are at home. So first rule for this situation is that we have to stay home, right? And you all are the small children, so you must have to follow these rules, because you don't need to go out from home. Yes, your mother will going to buy vegetables, your father is going on job, and if you are having elder brother and sister, so maybe they are going out of the home, but you are the students or you are the children, so you don't need to go out of the home. In the second rule, that if you are going out of the house somewhere, so you have to wear mask and you have to sanitize your hand again and again. So these safety rules you have to follow at your home. So here you can see the picture of the house, and with this picture you can easily understand that there are many rooms of the house. So we already learned in lesson number 9 about the rooms of the house, that rooms which having different uses. So like here you can see the picture of dining room, you can see the picture of kitchen, you can see the picture of living room, bathroom, you can see study room, bedroom. So each room of the house has different uses. You can see here the picture of the garden also. So some rules you have to follow at your home as well as in garden also. So for example, you are in your house and there is garden and you are running in the garden and you fall down. So some rules you have to follow in garden also, right? So when you see the picture of the house, you can see that there is a kitchen, right? So when you are going in kitchen, you must have to follow safety rules. First thing is that you don't need to going into the kitchen, because there are many harmful things which is injured you, right? So here you can see the picture of house with different rules, and you can see that you have to follow these rules in everywhere. So first picture, here you can see the picture of room. Maybe it is living room. Now what you see in this picture, you can see here the different type of things, some electric items also, and you can see the toys also, you can see the shoes and umbrellas and many other things, right? So when you see all these things, you can understand that these all things are on proper place. You can see here shoes also. So where is shoes? Shoes is on the stair. You can see teddy bear on the stair, and some clothes are also there. You can see that electric vacuum cleaner is also here, right? So you can see that this vacuum cleaner is on. Now just imagine that if the small child come there and touch this electric wire. If you are in hurry and you don't see that there is wire, and if this wire between you, then you fall down. So the first rules which we have to follow at our home is that you have to put your things on proper place. Now if you are a student and if you are a child, right? So the things, most of the things you can see here is the thing of small baby like you, right? You can see here the toys, you can see here train and blocks, you can see here the bag also, shoes also, teddy bear also. So it means there is one child who is not putting things on proper place, right? So for example, when you are playing with ball, right? So you are playing with ball and you put the ball as it is and going in other room, and if your mother is coming from the kitchen in hurry and the ball is there, so what happen? Maybe she fall down, right? And you can see here the shoes, big shoes there, and because of that someone will fall. Like that, here you can see the train, the toy train, and if you are playing and you are going out of the room, if your small brother or sister is coming there and play with it, and if your father is coming out of the home, right? So you can understand that if these things are coming in the way, so people are fall down, right? So when you see the bag, you put the bag on the floor when you are coming to the school, right? And the next day when you find the bag, you can't find the bag easily because it is not on the proper place, right? So you can understand that the first rule which we have to follow is put your things on proper place, right? So it is on you that when your mother is mopping the house or cleaning the house, you must have to help her. If you help her, you can easily learn the things also, and you put your things on proper place also. So you can understand that first rule which we have to follow at our home is put your things on proper place, right? So this is the thing. Then many other safety rules also we have to follow at our home. Let's see which are they. As I told you, we should stay safe at our home. from COVID-19. Then we learn that we should not play with matchbox. So here you can see the picture of the matchbox. This yellow color box you can see here is the matchbox, right? And this is the matchstick and this is the matchbox. You can see this matchbox when you are playing with the things, right? So this is not toy, it is a matchbox which we are using to start fire, mostly in Diwali. You can see this type of matchbox with a different color of fire also. So stay away from this box because you are small child, so you should not use this alone. When you burn the crackers, it is depend on you. It is compulsory that some elder one with you, right? Or adult with you, your mother, father or elder brother or sister. So you can understand that what is matchbox with this thing. It is matchstick, you can see here, which we use with this matchbox. Without matchstick, the back box is not in any use, right? You can see here the picture of the matchstick and matchbox, right? So this yellow color things you can see here is matchstick, and you can see here the use of this, it is start fire. You can see here the matchstick and you can see here the fire also. This is the fire. What is this? It is fire. When you rub the matchstick with this black color part, this is black color part, and you can see the matchstick when we rub with it, it start fire, which is harmful to us. Now the next question is, where you see this matchbox? Mostly it found in our kitchen, and you all know that gas stove, the burner is start with the matchstick. When you start matchstick and you use this, so it start fire in our stove, right? So it is not for your play, it is not a toy. So you must keep yourself away from this matchstick and matchbox. And here you can see that one boy. You can see here this boy and what his mother is doing. The mother is shouting that don't play with matchstick and matchbox, but this boy is not listen his mother. And you can see the burning matchstick. When the matchstick is not burning, it means it is safe for you? No, because the black color part on the matchstick is also dangerous for you. If you mistakenly eaten this part, so it is very dangerous for your body. Now this boy and the mother of the boy are there, right? And the boy is playing with matchstick, burning matchstick, right? So what happened with this boy? Let's see what happened if you play with fire, right? So let's see here, the boy is not listen his mother, and what you can see here is the house start burning, and you can see this yellow color fire here, right? So if you play with this matchstick and matchbox and the burning matchstick, you mistakenly throw from the hand on the paper or clothes or wood, so fire will start. And because of this fire, because of that, you are in dangerous situation. Not only you, your parents, your family, your things which is in the house start burning. So it is depend on you that what you are doing. So keep in your mind that stay away from fire and all these things. Now what is this? This is the lighter, which mostly we see in the hand of the person who is smoking. So if any person in your house is smoking, right, so you can see this lighter. And what is the rule is, do not play with this lighter. Why? Because this thing here you can see is the fire, and here is the box type thing in which there is a liquid like kerosene or petrol or gas sometimes. So if this lighter is fall on the ground, right, so what happen, this liquid is on the ground, and if you mistakenly throw the burning matchstick there, the fire will start. So do not play with lighters. It is the lighter which we use for smoking, but in our house there is one lighter which we use to start gas also. So don't play with lighters, right? And here you can see the picture of one boy and what this boy is doing. You can see here the gas stove. This is the gas stove, right? And you can see here the pipe. It is gas pipe. The gas pipe is jointed with the gas stove. So if you taken out this pipe, then the gas spread in all over the kitchen. And if you are having the matchstick or burning stick or lighter, then there is a big blast in your kitchen and it is harmful to you. So don't go near gas or gas stove even when you are traveling in the car. So don't near the engine of the car. It is too hot and it is very dangerous for you. So because of your silly mistake, you are in very dangerous situation. So you can understand that do not play with gas or gas stove. So here is the some pictures in which you can see the children playing with fire. In first picture you can see the children is playing with crackers and you can see that what they are doing. And if you are doing these all things at your home, so it is dangerous for you. And many children burning the papers, and here you can see the picture of one boy who is burning the paper with fire. And you can see here third picture also, and here you can see there is a clay in the hand of the boy, and you can see the boy is throwing clay into the candle. And this clay, when it is heated, it is very dangerous for you. You burn yourself, right? So do not play with fire. When you see this symbol anywhere, this symbol you can see, there is a burning matchstick and you can see the red color circle on it. So what is meaning of it? It means don't start matchstick or fire here. Why? Because when you are visited some places where there is a gas, or when you mostly for you going anywhere mostly the big example for you, live example, is the petrol pump. When you are going with your parents to fill the petrol in your vehicles, so you can see this type of symbol there, and this symbol is means don't start fire here, right? So this thing you learn in this lesson first is don't play with matchstick, don't play with fire, and don't play with lighter. So this symbol is mean that don't start fire here, right? So when you visited the factories, you can see this type of things also there. And when you are going somewhere to buy some snacks, and there is a big thing in which there is a oil, heated oil, right? So this heated oil also harmful to you. So these all things we learn. So what we learn today? Today we learn about the safety rules which we have to follow at our home. So today we learn one safety rule and we revise this rule. Why? Because that we have to follow these rules at home, that put your thing on proper place. And we also learn about the rule which is the don't play with fire, don't play with lighters, and stay away from gas and gas stove, and also with the fire, right? So I hope you all understand what we learned today, and I hope you all enjoy this lecture. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.